Shortcut keys don't work in MS Word on Win8. I've just upgraded to Windows 8 from XP and reinstalled my copy of Office 2007. Now the common shortcuts, Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V etc., don't work in Word, however other shortcuts, Ctrl-P, are fine. These shortcuts do work in other applications, such as Chrome, and they even work in other Office applications, PowerPoint. When I go into the Customize Shortcuts option in Word, I see that Edit Paste command has Shift Insert shortcut, and I can add Ctrl-V, but I can't find Undo and Redo. BTW, I'm using a Hebrew version of Office, I don't know if this is relevant. Note: the accepted answer was edited after I accepted it. I didn't check that the modified answer is correct, so be aware that the original answer, and the one that solved my problem, was to do with the currently selected input language when Word was launched, not the default keyboard language.
At last, after a lot of searching on the internet, I found the solution. You must select English as the default keyboard language, Control Panel and GT, Regional Settings and GT, Keyboard. If you select a non-English language as the default keyboard language and open Microsoft Word, a lot of shortcuts will change to IBM Common User Access Mode. For example, Ctrl+C will change to Ctrl+Ns and Ctrl+V will change to Shift+Ns. Note that if you set English as the default keyboard language, everything will still work even while you're switching your keyboard language to type non-English text. This problem appears in all Office versions from 2003 to 2013. It also appears in all versions of Windows since Windows 2000 and at least with Hebrew, Greek and Arabic languages, but I guess with all others as well. Note: for Windows 10, the above option is found under Control Panel and GT, Clock, Language, and Region and GT, Change Input Methods, under Language, and GT, Advanced Settings, on the left, and GT, Override for Default Input Method.
Go to Word Options, Customize Keyboard Shortcuts, Customize Categories or Commands. At Edit Copy or Edit Redo or others, press New Shortcut key and press Assign.
The post: is it possible to make a custom shortcut to undo in Word 2013? Has this answer that I didn't test, and in any case I don't have your version of Word. Right-click on the ribbon menu. Select Customize the ribbon. Select the Customize ribbon category on the left side column. Go to the right side column, Main tabs, then select a tabs category of your choice, for example Home, and click on the New Group button. Use Rename to name it, Undo Redo, then in the drop-down menu, choose Commands, on the left, select All Commands. Find the command named Undo and click on the button Add. Do the same for the Redo command. Don't click on the Customize button yet. Just hit the OK button of the window. Again, right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Now you can click the Customize button next to the title Keyboard Shortcuts, then select the Home tab, left column, and find the Editundo command on the right column. Select it and click on the text area under the Press New Shortcut key title. Press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard and then click the Assign button. Click the Close button on this window, then the OK button. Do the same for the Edit Redo command and assign the Ctrl+Y shortcut. This answer can also be extended to other problematic shortcuts.
Madi, I'm having the exact same issue with Hebrew Word 2010 and my newly installed Windows 8, installed during the snow day. When I went into the customized shortcuts, I chose to save these settings for this file, rather than for normal, which always seems to give me trouble. Then it worked, and not just in that file.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.